Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a very classic looking beautiful Zegna tie. It is yellow with some geometric patterns in it. Has little blue squares, like an orangish yellow, almost a gold square. And then it has this little pattern here. It's hard to describe. It's like a little leaf coming out into a cross. And it's just designed throughout the whole tie and gives it a really classy look. It's a Zegna tie, we all know Zegna makes a good quality product. Silk lace, very nice. This is a thin Zegna. Feels a lot like a Ferragamo. Very, very similar to a Ferragamo as far as feel goes. Ferragamo is a little bit smoother of a silk. This is a little bit softer of a silk, but we're literally picking at little teeny tiny things here. They're very, very close. Similar quality. You know, to me, Zegna and Ferragamo are right in the same range. They're similar price too. I think Ferragamos are about 190s and he's like 195. So very, very similar tie all the way around. So anyway, great tie. We're going to tie it up here and see how it comes together. Let's get the color up here. Because it's a thin tie, we're going to need a little less silk here. And my shoestring is going down into my shoe. Hold on one second. I hate that feeling when you get your shoestring kind of down your shoe. Anyway, thin tie. We're not going to need a lot of extra slack here. So let me find my spot. Probably going to be right around this range. That's about where I am with a Ferragamo tie. It should be pretty similar. Let's go ahead and come in close here. Come over the top with the long part of the tie, underneath, up and through. Then come around behind, up over, down and through. Notice I keep the knot tight throughout the whole process. Now we've got a nice little triangle. I'll call this a checkpoint. This is the base of our tie. And now we're going to take the front of the tie out over top, back in behind, and through. Then we're going to go down through a little pocket we just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie down and through. Now we just make our adjustments. Turn this down. If you wanted a dimple, you put your dimple right here. Hold on to the knot. We're going to pull on the long part of the tie to tighten it up. And look how nice and tight that triangle comes together. Now we bring it up here. And we're going to check for the length. We want the tip of the tie, this part right here, to come in between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. So let's see where we're at. We are right above the bottom of the belt buckle, absolutely perfect. It's okay to be a little bit long even, not a lot long. Like I don't like them way down here, but they should never be short, you know, but right in between is absolutely perfect. So let's pull the collar down and see how this all comes together. My dry cleaner must put some extra starch in this. Color didn't want to come down. There we go. Okay. So bring it in here close. We're going to tidy up the knot just a little bit. We're going to bring the knot up. You hold on to the knot and pull on the shorter part of the tie or thinner part of the tie. We want that up there where there's no gap. Look how beautiful that is. Very symmetrical. I like it a lot. Okay. We're going to tuck the tie in or tuck the back of the tie in, and the look's going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and I'm going to go through it with you right now. Today we are wearing a navy blue Hermes Zegna suit. It's navy blue. This particular suit is a wool silk blend. It's I think it's 95% wool and 5% silk or 10, something like that. Has a really nice soft feel to it. They make good stuff. So navy blue Zegna suit, a light blue Brooks Brothers shirt. Wearing a yellow Zegna tie with some blue and gold squares and some other geometric patterns within it. We're pairing that today with a shiny, dressy brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt. We went with the silver belt buckle today, and a pair of dark brown, chocolate brown Oxfords by Bally. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the shoes and the belt, close-ups of the tie. You'll see the tie, you know, the details of the tie really close up. Selfies of me wearing everything, as well as close-ups of the knot itself. So check out my Instagram. If you like my videos, please click subscribe and like them. But I am ready for work.